Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove water from your Apple Watch. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, if you're in this screen here, you're going to press this basically button right here. When you do that, the control menu will pop up, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit further, and you should see a water drop icon. You're going to click on that. Now it's going to be in the water eject mode. And now in order to remove water, you're going to take your crown and just press and hold. And as you're holding it, it's going to keep on ejecting water, and just keep on holding, and we have removed it. Now, if you need to do it again one more time, again, press again this button here, and then just scroll down and put it in water mode, and then again, press and hold onto the crown. It's going to eject water. You might have to do it multiple times to really make sure all the water is out. So go ahead and click on this again one more time, water icon, and then I press the top crown, pressing and holding while it ejects the water or removes it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.